Welcome to this video. In this session, we will learn what crawl errors are, why they matter, and how to fix them to improve your website SEO. Crawl errors happen when search engine tries to visit your web pages but fail due to broken links, server problems, or incorrect redirects. Crawl errors are divided into two types: site level error, which affect the whole site, and URL level errors, which affect the specific pages. You can find crawl errors using tools like Google Search Console. It shows all crawl issues under the pages and crawl stats sections. To fix 404 errors, first check if the page should exist. If yes, restore the content. If not, redirect it to a relevant page using a 301 redirect. Soft 404 errors are pages that load correctly but show little or no useful content. Improve the content or use a proper 404 response code. Server errors means the hosting server failed to respond. Contact your hosting provider or optimize server settings to solve these issues. Redirect error happens when a page redirects too many times or lead to a broken link. Always use one clear 301 redirect path. Sometimes important files like JavaScript or CSS are blocked in robots.txt. Make sure essential resources are crawlable for full page rendering. Once you have fixed the crawl errors, go back to Google Search Console and request validation for the affected pages. To avoid future crawl errors, keep internal links updated, monitor your site regularly, and always test changes before going live. Crawl errors block your pages from appearing in search results. Identify them, fix the causes, and maintain your site health regularly. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about SEO, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.